Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So check this out. We got a trade of the day today, all right? So we hit Alibaba today. I hit them twice, all right? So I got about 24% total between both trades. First trade was like 13%, and then the second trade, it was like 11, 12%, all right? So we're going to go over those trades, and I'm going to break down exactly what happened, what I was seeing, and we're going to go from there, all right? So if you're just watching this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Every single day, I'm bringing you some type of video, whether it's inspiration, trading, life, wisdom, whatever the case may be. Every Wednesday, we got a Wisdom Wednesday, and we dropping daily videos, all right? Haven't missed a day in about 7 months. All right, all year we've been coming every single day. So with that being said, what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up going to the charts, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what happened and how we did it. All right. Something that just came to me, right? I want to say this before we get into this. No matter what's going on, you're gonna get where you're going. All right. No matter how you feeling, you're going to get where you're going, okay? No matter what's going on, no matter how you feeling, you're going to get where you're going. All you got to do is hold on to your belief, all right? Hold on to your belief. I know sometimes people email me and let me know what's going on, and it's like, you got to just remember that life is going to be okay, all right? No matter what, no matter if you're feeling overwhelmed, no matter what's going on, just always remember everything gonna be okay and you're gonna get where you're going. You just gotta hold on to your belief, all right? So with that being said, let's go to the charts and I'm gonna show y'all what we got popping. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what happened with Alibaba today, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, so let's get it. All right. So this is AMD. Let's go to Alibaba. All right, cool. All right, so this is Alibaba. So let's start with the daily time frame. All right. I like to look at things off the daily time frame when I'm planning my day trades. Okay. For example, I caught this right here. Okay. Shopify. This is a candle from yesterday. This is yesterday's day. I knew if we could get above here, then we could go up here. All right. And so look what Shopify did today. It went from 120 and it's at 125 today. All right. So I like to look at the daily time frame because that's going to let me know what kind of happens throughout the day. All right. So let's go to Baba. Now, so look, this is the daily right here. All right. So when I'm looking at it, I'm like, all right, cool. We had buyer step in yesterday, okay? And then they pushed the stock up, and then right here, so I knew that if we could get above 116, basically, all right, if we could get above 116, then we can make a nice run to the upside, all right? Now, this green line right here, I got this resistance off the weekly time frame, okay, a while ago. So this green level is a weekly time frame level. All right, so weekly time frame level. So now what's going on is I knew that if we could get above here, we could have a nice day. So what happened? So let's go to the daily now. I mean, like the 15-minute, okay? So I was looking at other stocks earlier, but Alibaba came up here, created an orb level, and then blasted off, right? And then we had this and this. So it was above pre-market levels, right? But I didn't catch a good entry yet. There wasn't a place for me to enter in, right? That gave me confirmation. So because I didn't get confirmation, I was waiting, right? I was waiting. And so I always say, don't get into calls if the stock has already been running up, okay? Because a pullback is always imminent, all right? Depending on how far it's ran up, you got to know if the stock could pull back or not, All right. So right here, I saw that Alibaba ran up. Okay. So we got one candle and we got two candles and we got three candles. Okay. And then we had right here and right here. So I was flipping between a 15 and a 30-minute time frame, right? Between a 15 and a 30-minute time frame. Now, when we go to the 15-minute, right here, right? So I saw what was going on, and then I actually took an entry. It was this candle or this candle. It was this candle right here, right? So off the 15-minute time frame, I actually took an entry right here. All right. So we're gonna go right here. Okay. So I actually took an entry right here. All right. And then what happened was it was right here. So it broke above, came down here, and then boom. So we had a level right here, right? A weekly level. I said, okay, we could go to, but sometimes stocks will reverse in the middle of going to a level, or they'll pull back really nasty, right? And so here's one of my things. I feel like I don't have to catch the whole move, right? I don't have to catch the whole move. When I'm scalp trading, I don't have to catch the whole move, right? If I get 15, 20%, I'm cool with that, right? Because I also will day trade and I will also swing trade. So when I'm scalping, it's like smaller movements, okay? So I entered in right here. All right, entry. And then, right there. And then I entered in right there, right? Now, off this candle. So it came up, boom. Right? Came up right here. And so I was looking at it. It was the volume was pretty slow on it. And so I was like, all right, cool. What's going on? So I was up 13, 15%. Right? And then this candle opened up. And then it came up a little bit and it came down here. All right. When it came down, because these could potentially I've seen this little pattern right here, and then that start like a downtrend, okay? So I thought Alibaba was like faking us out a little bit to the upside because it happens. So sometimes a stock will go above the orb, right? And then it'll come down, and then you'll have bad drawdown, and then it'll start going up and going crazy, right? So I thought that was going on, and so I actually ended up taking my exit right there. All right, like right there. A little bit higher, like right there. Okay. So I took my exit right there. Okay. And that was it was like 14.5%. Okay. Because I got a little bit of out the money contracts. Right. So I want you to think about this. If you put $1,000 into this trade, 14% is $140 off of this little tiny move right here, right? The little tiny move right there. If you put 2,000 in, that's $300, right? 290, right? Or 280. So I want you to understand that the percentage game matters, right? Now, if we would have stayed in, obviously this right here would have paid us maybe 50%, right? 45, 50%, but that's okay. Because I got a little piece of the move, I'm cool with that, all right? And I always say you could always get back in your trade, okay? So hit that right there, and I was cool. Now watch this, okay? So that was the first trade. So then what happened was I looked at the chart later on, like an hour later, something like that, on a 30-minute time frame. Was it the 30 or the hour? The 30-minute or the 15-minute? Oh, okay. Yeah. Off the 15-minute time frame, it was 30 minutes later. Okay? And I saw this candlestick right here, this red one. Okay? So look, I saw that it rejected off of this level right here. Okay? This weekly level that I'm talking about. This weekly level is a very strong level. As you can see, it's riding it right now. Okay. So I saw this and I saw this right here and I was like, oh, I think this is about to reverse. Right. So then what I did was right before the candle closed, I took an entry. So I took an entry, it was about right there. Okay. On that red candle right there. Entry. Okay. And so then what happened was this candle happened and look, it came up a little bit. So I was down like 8%. And then it started coming down here. Right. And I was able to get like 11, 12% on that trade. Right. So I took my exit right here. Okay. So exit right here. All right. So come to find out, this was just a pullback and it wasn't a reversal, but it looked like a reversal because it was rejecting off of this level right here. Because look, it rejected off of this level a day and a half ago. And look what happened. It came all the way down here, right? So I thought it was about to do the same thing. And I saw all that selling pressure right here. So I said, boom, I'm going to get in there. Came down here. It didn't keep pushing down. I got out, right? And then it bounced back up and it went back to the upside, right? But I do want you guys to understand that sometimes it could be looking like a reversal and it's really just a pullback. So you got to be able to decipher between the two so that you can not get caught up in the chop. All right. And that's why I say a lot of times I don't be worried about what was I saying? Oh yeah, I don't try to get in the get the whole move. Okay. Because if I'm being too greedy, what happens is you can be too greedy and you can actually end up losing money. Right. So because I don't want to do that, I'm okay with when I'm scalping, you know what I'm saying, taking a percentage of a move, right? If I'm day trading, I may be a little bit more open to holding it longer because it's a day trade and I may have a little bit longer outlook on that trade, right? But yeah, so, you know, I was able to make what, 24% on my money today off of Alibaba. So if you put $1,000 into these two trades, 24% is $240, right? If you put $2,000, right, that's $500. So always understand, right? Sometimes these trades, they look small, but when you understand what's going on, it's actually very life-changing. All right. So I hope that was helpful. I hope that made sense right there. What I will say is I hope you guys get out of your head and get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. Be sure to join the Discord. Come trade with us. And also, if you want to do a one-on-one, click the link in the description, book a one-on-one, and your life will never be the same. All right. I appreciate y'all time. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm going to holler at you guys on the flip side. Peace.